Who does the Speaker of Lok Sabha submits his resignation to? Deputy Speaker. Speaker Deputy Speaker को resignation देता है. How can the Speaker of Lok Sabha be removed? लोक सभा का जो स्पीकर है उसे कैसे रिमूव किया जा सकता है? By a resolution of Lok Sabha passed by majority of all the members of the house. बाई रेजोल्यूशन ऑफ लोकसभा से किया जा सकता है, पास्ड बाय मेजॉरिटी ऑफ ऑल द मेंबर्स ऑफ द हाउस. मेजॉरिटी जो होती है ऑल द मेंबर ऑफ द हाउस उसके द्वारा किया जा सकता है. द प्रोसीजर फॉर रिमूवल ऑफ द स्पीकर ऑफ द लोकसभा हैज़ बीन मेड अंडर द आर्टिकल 94 सबसेक्शन सी. The Speaker of Deputy Speaker may be removed from his office by a resolution of the House of the People passed by a majority of all the then members of the House, provided that no resolution shall be moved unless at least 14 days notice has been given to the Speaker of the intention to move the resolution. ठीक है, 14 दिन पहले नोटिस देना पड़ेगा. अगर आप उसको सैक कर रहे हो, उसको हटा रहे हो उसके ऑफिस से, तो रिमूवल जो होता है स्पीकर का वो 94 सबसेक्शन सी में आता है. रेजोल्यूशन जो आएगा मेजॉरिटी में आएगा. और प्रोवाइडेड दैट नो रेजोल्यूशन शैल बी मूव्ड अनलेस एट लीस्ट 14 डेज नोटिस हैज़ बीन गिवन. 14 दिन का नोटिस देना है स्पीकर को. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha can be removed from his office before the expiry of his term if the Lok Sabha passed a resolution to this effect. ठीक है, the Speaker of the Lok Sabha can be removed by a resolution of the Lok Sabha passed by majority of the members of the House. ठीक है. Which one of the following statement regarding the office of Speaker is correct? If he intends to resign, the letter of his resignation is to be addressed to Deputy Speaker. Deputy Speaker वो क्या करेगा? एड्रेस करेगा. According to the 94, the Speaker must be a member of House at the time of his election for the office. The Speaker may be removed by a resolution of majority of members of the House. According to the Article 94, whenever the House is dissolved, the Speaker shall not vacate his office until immediately before the first meeting of Lok Sabha Lok Sabha after the dissolution. According to Article 94 का subsection B, if Speaker intends to resign, the letter of his resignation is to be addressed to the Deputy Speaker. So in the given statement A, B and C are wrong, so statement D is correct. ठीक है. The Speaker of the House of the People shall be chosen by the member of the Lok Sabha among themselves. Okay. He may be removed from the office by resolution passed by majority of all the members of the House. The Speaker may address his resignation to Deputy Speaker of the House. प्रो टर्म स्पीकर होता है, उसके बारे में थोड़ा देख लेते हैं. एज सुन एज द न्यू गवर्नमेंट इज फॉर्म्ड, legislative section of parliament prepares a list of senior most Lok Sabha members and one of them is appointed as pro term speaker. The function of pro term speaker is to administer the oath to the newly elected members of the house. The function of pro term speaker is to administer the oath to the newly elected member of the house and conduct proceeding till a regular speaker is chosen, who is generally appointed as a pro term speaker, one of the senior most member of the newly elected Lok Sabha. ठीक है. As soon as new government is formed, legislative section of parliament prepares a list of senior most Lok Sabha members. This list is then submitted to Minister of Parliamentary Affairs for the appointment of the pro term speaker. Thereafter, the minister submits a note to the president seeking his approval to the appointment of the pro term speaker. The Speaker of the Lok Sabha makes use of his casting vote only in case of tie when votes are equally divided. The Speaker of Lok Sabha makes use of his casting vote only in case of tie when votes are equally divided. Article 100 subsection 1 of the Constitution provides a procedure for voting in House. Any question at any sitting shall be decided by a majority of votes of members present and voting. According to the 100 subsection 1, speaker or person acting as chairman or speaker shall not vote in first instance but shall have and exercise a casting vote in case of equally of votes. Article 96 gives a different exercise of casting vote by speaker. According to Article 96 subsection 2, speaker shall have right to cast vote in first instance on question of resolution for his removal, but not in case of equality of vote. Okay, which one of the following article of Constitution provides that the speaker shall have and exercise casting vote in case of equality of votes? Article 100. Who was first speaker of Lok Sabha? Mavlankar. Who was the first speaker of the first speaker of first Lok Sabha of India? G.V. Mavlankar. The first speaker against whom a motion of no confidence was moved in Lok Sabha was G.V. Mavlankar. Acharya J.B. Kripalani was 21st Parliament member of opposition, moved to a no confidence motion against first Lok Sabha Speaker G.B. Mavlankar on 15 December 1954. This motion was refused by Lok Sabha on 18 December 1954. J.P. कृपलानी जो विद 21 मेंबर पार्लियामेंट मेंबर के साथ जो थे वो नो कॉन्फिडेंस मोशन लाए थे. ठीक है. द फर्स्ट फीमेल स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा इज मीरा कुमार. ओके. In case of deputy speaker is presiding the Lok Sabha, he has right to vote in the event of equality of vote. वो दे देगा अगर डिप्यूटी स्पीकर बैठा है लोकसभा के स्पीकर की जगह. Article 95 of Indian Constitution, when the office of a speaker is vacant, it shall be performed by deputy speaker where he can vote in the event of equality of votes while other are not the right of speaker. Who among the following was first tribal speaker of Lok Sabha? P.A. Sangma. Who among the following was first tribal speaker of Lok Sabha? पहले स्पीकर कौन थे लोकसभा के? तो पी ए संगमा थे. द लोकसभा सेक्रेटरीट कम्स अंडर द डायरेक्ट कंट्रोल ऑफ स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा. स्पीकर ऑफ लोकसभा. द लोकसभा सेक्रेटरीट कम्स अंडर द डायरेक्ट सुपरविजन ऑफ लोकसभा स्पीकर. इन विच ईयर ऑफ where the number of women member of parliament was lowest in Lok Sabha? 1977. In which year the number of women in parliament was lowest in Lok Sabha? 1977 में सबसे कम थी. सबसे ज़्यादा अभी तक कौन थी, कब कितनी थी? 2019 वाले में उसमें 78 थी. और सबसे कम वाला जब वो था उसमें 1977 को हुआ लोकसभा. 1970 वाली लोकसभा में सबसे कम थी 19.